I am going to draw this graph initially by looking for when ln of 1 is 0. In which case, I'm just going to find out when is x over 2 minus k equal to 1. That'd be x equals 1 plus k, so x equals 2 plus 2k. So that's 2 plus 2k. The other one I'm interested in is ln of 0, not possible. And in fact it forms a vertical asymptote. So I'm going to put x over 2 minus k equals 0. So x equals k, equals 2k. So that's 2k there. So I can now draw my vertical asymptote. Remember earlier we worked out that point passes through there. We can now draw our graph. Now that is y equals ln of x over 2 minus k. Clearly I haven't done the modulus yet, so let's correct it and make it the modulus. So I'll add the modulus signs in red and do the final change in red. It's going to then go like that, curving up, forming an asymptote in the positive direction instead. Let me just redraw that, make it a little bit nicer. There we go. So now I'll just redraw over that just to make it really clear. So that red line is the graph we were after, and it doesn't actually go below the x-axis.